Join me as I dive into this lucrative side hustle and see if I can turn it into a full-time gig for 2024. The concept of side hustles has taken the world by storm in recent years, with more and more people looking for ways to supplement their income and gain financial freedom. And it's no surprise why. The idea of having a safety net, being your own boss, and pursuing your passions is incredibly appealing. In today's video, we're going to dive into a specific lucrative side hustle that has the potential to change the game for many in 2024. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to start a side hustle is finding the time to do so. Between work, family, and social commitments, it can be tough to squeeze in an extra few hours a week to work on your own project. Another common challenge is the financial risk involved. What if your side hustle doesn't take off and you're left with a financial burden? And then there's the question of finding the right idea. With so many options out there, how do you know which one is right for you? Add to that the fear of failure, and it's no wonder so many people give up before they even start. But what if I told you there was a side hustle that could help mitigate some of these risks, and has the potential to generate a significant income? But what if I told you there was a side hustle that could help mitigate some of these risks, and has the potential to generate a significant income? This lucrative side hustle I'm talking about is one that benefits not just the individual, but also the community at large. It's an opportunity that's been gaining traction in recent years, and I believe it has the potential to be a game changer for many in 2024. This side hustle is all about leveraging technology to create a passive income stream. It's an opportunity that's open to anyone, regardless of their background or experience. And the best part is that it has the potential to generate a significant income, with some people even making six figures or more. But what really sets it apart is the positive impact it can have on the community. It's an opportunity that promotes sustainability, fairness, and equality. One of the things that I find particularly exciting about this side hustle is the success stories that are already out there. I've spoken to people who have been able to quit their full-time jobs and focus on this side hustle full-time. I've seen people who have been able to pay off debt, buy their dream home, and live the lifestyle they've always wanted. And what's even more inspiring is that these people come from all walks of life. They're not just young, tech-savvy entrepreneurs, but people from all ages and backgrounds. Take, for example, Sarah, who was able to turn her passion for sustainability into a lucrative side hustle. She was able to generate a six-figure income, which allowed her to quit her corporate job and focus on her own business full-time. But what's even more impressive is the impact she's had on her community. She's been able to create jobs, promote sustainable practices, and inspire others to take action. I could go on and on about the potential of this side hustle, but I want to hear from you. If you're someone who's been considering starting a side hustle, or if you're already making money from this opportunity, leave a comment below and share your story. And if you want to learn more about side hustles and how to turn them into a full-time income, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and strategies. In conclusion, I truly believe that this lucrative side hustle has the potential to be a game changer for many in 2024. It's an opportunity that promotes financial freedom, sustainability, and community development. So, if you're looking for a way to take control of your finances and create a better future for yourself and others,